What's good, people? What's good, YouTube? My name is Nase and welcome to my channel. So thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, thank you. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know what's up. Thank you for the support, and you really mean a lot to me. So without wasting much of your time in this video, I just want to let you guys know that I'll be sharing my knowledge, my acquired knowledge about music production with you. So if you're somebody who is into making music, just like the title said, yes, this is the first video, and I'm sharing with you guys how you can get started on the music production journey and the things that you need to learn. So these are the things that I need you to put in place before we get started. So the first thing that I need you guys to have is a computer or a laptop. So you need to have at least a very good computer or a laptop with good specs. Personally, I'm using a Lenovo Flex 5. It's an IdeaPad Flex 5. If you're gonna get something to use in your music, make sure you have a very good RAM installed in it. Something like 8 GB to 16 GB is okay, and make sure you have enough storage on your SSD or your hard drive. And also make sure that your PC has a very good processor. You can either get a Core i5 going up or a Ryzen 5 going up. That would do. The second thing that you need, guys, is a USB microphone or an XLR microphone. So what an XLR microphone is pretty much this, and the USB microphone is pretty much this. So if you are going to get a USB microphone, you won't have any hassle because USB microphones are plug and play, but make sure you get a USB condenser microphone. And if you're going to get an XLR microphone, please make sure you buy sound card or an audio interface. Any audio interface, any affordable audio interface. There's a lot of affordable audio interfaces on Amazon, and I'll leave the links in the description. If you're getting a USB microphone and you don't have a computer, and you're only using a phone that's capable of supporting OTG, then you have to get this. Make sure you get this, which is an OTG connection cable. Let's move on to the next thing that you need in this journey is the software. If you are going to be using a PC, please make sure you choose a software that you're comfortable with. And personally, I'm using FL Studio, and I'll be giving my tutorials using FL Studio. So that's from beat creation to sound design to recording and mixing and mastering. I do everything in FL Studio, and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. The other thing that I need you to get is headphones. Now, if you are more into beat making, I advise that you get quality studio monitor speakers. If you need beginner friendly studio monitors that will give you that quality and that won't break your bank, personally I use the Samsung M50, which are 5-inch studio monitors, and one is active and the other one is passive. So if you're not going to get studio monitor speakers, make sure you get at least studio monitor headphones. Okay, so if you're going to get studio speakers, you can either get DJ headphones to go with them, because you're going to be mixing using your studio speakers and tracking, and during recording you're going to be using your ordinary headphones. But if you're not going to get studio monitor speakers, make sure you get studio monitor headphones or DJ monitor headphones. Personally, I'm using the Claw M50, which are the same as the One Audio Pro 50 and Pro 10. They are the same, pretty much the same company that makes them. So if you have all these things in check, then we can proceed to the next video where you start your lessons. Peace out.